One more we are going to what are the lifestyle modification, that is reduce the salt intake. That is intake of the salt results in the hypertension, because they absorbs the reabsorption of the sodium and water, which results in the increase in the pressure. Okay, everything you restrict the sodium intake. And we also discuss avoid smoking and drinking alcohol. And our foremost thing is our next our important thing is our pharmacotherapy. What is meant by pharmacotherapy? Involvement of the drugs in the treatment of the hypertension. Okay, discuss our what are the drugs we are used in the hypertension and different conditions, and also examples, and also what are the side effects. Also we are going to do angiotensin converting enzymes inhibitor. What are the example for this? Pills. The drugs which ends with pills or comes under the ACE inhibitors. The most common adverse effect is the dry cough and hyperkalemia. So due to this adverse effect dry cough, it is contraindicated in the pregnancy. Okay, and also we are going to use thiazides in hypertension, but the thiazides is contraindicated in diabetes. Note that point. Thiazides are contraindicated in diabetes. And also we are going to beta blocker. Beta blockers are nothing but our propranolol and timolol, atenolol, etc., labetalol, etc., everything lol we are going to get in beta blockers. These beta blocker mainly used in hypertension, MI, angina, and also we are going to use the beta blocker in glaucoma. Also we are going to use it, and also we are going to use in migraine headaches. So many places we are going to use our beta blocker. Calcium channel blockers is an example for this is amlodipine, nifedipine, and diltiazem. These are the drugs we are going to be used in calcium channel blockers as an hypertensive drugs. And what are the peripheral vasodilator? Sodium nitroprusside is used as an hydrogen, also comes under this class only. These two are used in the hypertension treatment. Alpha blockers, phentolamine. Phentolamine is used in the phlebocytoma, where the one of the main feature is the hypertension. Here we are going to use the alpha blocker phentolamine. Okay, next we are going to discuss ARBs. ARBs means angiotensin receptor blockers. Certain group of drugs. Okay, drug of choice of pregnancy is in pregnancy labetalol. Central sympathomimetics, alpha methyl dopa, alpha 2 agonist clonidine. These are the drugs we are used in the hypertension. And we are also going to see the hypertension along with some more conditions, and we are going to discuss what are the drug reactions, drug interactions. Okay, drugs which reduce the heart rate. What are the drugs which reduces the heart rate in order to decrease the pp? They are the beta blockers and ivabradine. Ivabradine is nothing but our funny sodium channel drug. Okay, and what are the drugs reduce the stroke volume? Stroke volume we are going to beta blockers and diuretics and nitrates. These are used to reduce the stroke volume in order to reduce the BP of the patient. Drugs reduces the peripheral resistance. We are going to give an mnemonic, that 2ACD. 2ACD means 2A. AC inhibitor also used there, and alpha blockers used there, and calcium channel blockers used there. And D means diuretics. I don't mention here, but D means diuretics. These are the drugs action on the heart rate, stroke volume, and peripheral resistance in order to decrease the BP of the patient. Okay. Next we are going to discuss the treatment of hypertension in a specific population. Specific population means the population, the people who are doing under different conditions. In particular condition we are going to use a particular drug. In any uncomplicated we are going to use CCBs and ACEs and diuretics. In CHF, heart failure, we are going to most importantly with a diuretic, and beta blockers also used. Aldosterone also used. Aldosterone is again potassium sparing diuretics. Okay, next our diabetic persons who are having hypertension, we are going to use diuretics, but most of all the diuretics is contraindicated in the diabetes, that is our thiazide diuretics. Okay, Next, post-MI patient, beta blocker is used on these drugs also. We are in kidney diseases with hypertension. We are going to use the AC inhibitor from the ARBs. Okay. Next, BPH, benign prostate hypertrophy. We are going to use alpha 1 blockers and diuretics. Isolated systolic hypertension also we are going to use the diuretics. Pregnancy, beta blocker. We already discussed, that is levotilol. Drug of choice for pregnancy is levotilol.